Welcome to Freshen Tips. We'll explore 10 powerful superfoods backed by science that can truly transform your health. Let's start with blueberries. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Studies show they improve brain function, support heart health, and even slow down aging. Try adding a handful to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie. 2. Spinach, packed with iron, vitamins C and K, and magnesium. Spinach strengthens your immune system and supports healthy bones. It's also low in calories, making it great for weight management. Toss it in salads or stir it into your eggs for a nutrient boost. 3. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Eating salmon just twice a week can lower inflammation and reduce your risk of chronic disease. If you're vegetarian, chia seeds or flax seeds are a great alternative. If you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Freshen Tips for more health content every week. 4. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster. It's been used for centuries as medicine. Research shows garlic helps reduce blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, and strengthens the immune system. Crushing fresh garlic and letting it sit for a few minutes before cooking boosts its health benefits. 5. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. They're excellent for controlling hunger, balancing blood sugar, and protecting your skin. A small handful a day is all you need. Just watch the portion size because they're calorie dense. 6. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It's loaded with antioxidants that boost metabolism, support brain health, and may even lower your risk of certain cancers. Swap your sugary drinks for a warm cup of green tea and notice the difference. 7. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics. Probiotics feed your gut bacteria, which improves digestion and boosts your immune system. For best results, choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add fruits or honey for natural sweetness. 8. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It's especially beneficial for joint pain, arthritis, and even memory support. Pair turmeric with black pepper to increase absorption and add it to soups, rice, or even warm milk. 9. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. They help lower bad cholesterol and keep you full longer. Add slices to your sandwiches, salads, or enjoy it as guacamole. And finally, dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can be healthy if it's at least 70% cocoa. It's rich in antioxidants, improves mood, and even supports heart health. Just remember, moderation is key. So, there you have it, 10 superfoods that can change the way you feel and function. Which of these do you already eat? And which one are you excited to try next? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future health tips from Freshen Tips. Stay healthy, stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next one.